Hey everyone, it's your DIY crypto guy. I'm going to say it. I hope you all had a great crypto day. My disclaimer first, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial, legal, nor tax advice. In today's video, I'm going to expand on what happened in the crypto market. And in my opinion, I'm just going to describe it as one word: FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. While newbies were panic selling, companies like probably Tesla, Square, Grayscale, and other large corporations were buying up your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, and other cryptos. These companies, including mainstream media and people like Bill Gates, Janet Yellen, the Secretary of the Treasury, and certain banks, they are going to scare you out of holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos just so that you will sell, and they will continuously misinform you to not invest in cryptos. These people, these organizations do not want people like you and I to invest. Whatever the agenda, it's just something that we have to consider and do our own due diligence, and just we need to understand what we are holding. I think a lot of especially people new to the space, I don't think they truly comprehend the value of some of these cryptocurrencies. In my opinion, this is a new financial paradigm. We are going through, in my opinion, what's considered a reset of sorts. And especially with the inflation that is going to come, there's no way to hide it. It's a system that is, in my opinion, at the end of its life cycle. A new system has to emerge. And what do you do with the old system to usher in a new system? You have to have the old system implode. I know it gets a little technical and it may seem a bit out there, but there's a lot of factors that are happening in the background that we may not all be aware of. But these cryptos, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few others, are a great hedge against inflation and a great way to protect your wealth. The other two events that transpired today that also helped, the rapid decline. I mean, again, it's not a tank, it's not a market crash. In my opinion, it was a pullback, a healthy and needed pullback, were the ongoing SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. That's going to be dragged out for a few more days, in my opinion. However, I think we will have a positive outcome where I believe that Ripple will probably have the case dismissed against the SEC. And the other issue that I wanted to kind of pull up is the Tether lawsuit, or the legal issue that Bitfinex and Tether settled with the New York's Attorney General for $18.5 million. Now, some of you may not be aware of what the significance of Tether is, but in a nutshell, it's rumored that Tether was being used to manipulate and drive up the price of Bitcoin and a few other cryptocurrencies. So they were just creating unlimited amounts or billions and billions a day of Tether to drive up the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So there's a bit of a crackdown, and based on the settlement with the Attorney General's Office of New York, they settled on 18.5 million, and Tether, I guess, is banned from trading in the state of New York. Could there be something else that may come of this? Is this the last? Is this the last that we will see of this Tether saga? I don't know. I think there could always be something that could pop up. So definitely keep this whole Tether news in the back of your mind in the future, because it may pop up again. In my opinion, I think in the next coming days, you're going to maybe see big corporations coming out saying that, oh, guess what? We bought the dip. Where big corporations, maybe Tesla, Grayscale, they may come out and say, hey, we bought more Bitcoin. I mean, look at today. Square goes even bigger on Bitcoin with a new $170 million investment where they purchased approximately 3,300 coins, 3,300 Bitcoin at an average price of about $51,000. So why sell? This is what I'm just trying to, hammer in to some of the new people that listen to my videos is if you get into Bitcoin, don't sell. Especially do not sell when the market is dropping or going red. The best time to sell to take profits is obviously when the market's going up and everything looks fantastic. I'm just going to read this quickly. Square has just made another colossal investment in Bitcoin, more than tripling its last investment in the cryptocurrency with 170 million purchase of tokens. The digital payments company, which is run by vocal Bitcoin advocate and Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, disclosed the investment in its quarterly earnings report on Tuesday. The company purchased about 3,300 Bitcoins at an average price of $51,000, which signals remarkable confidence in Bitcoin as it reaches record heights and invites renewed skepticism about its stability. Follow the big money. Even though we don't have big money, follow the big money. These guys are smart. They're great manipulators of the market. And we just the small people, but there's nothing that can stop us from, dollar cost averaging, buying up little pieces of Bitcoin, just to make their life difficult. So in summary, that's my opinion of what happened today. Again, I just want to stress timing of buying and selling cryptos is going to be very difficult to predict. So don't beat yourself up for, buying in before the market went down, or don't beat yourself up for buying or selling when the market was going up. It's just with time and experience, you will see what works out best for you, but then create your strategy and sell and take profits when it fits you best. I think that's about it. Oh, one other thing, another dip is going to come. I guarantee it. These cycles occur frequently. Another dip will come. When exactly it's going to happen, there's no way any of us can predict it. Yes, there's technical analysis, there's chart reviews and predictions, but even the great professional and well-versed people that look at charts daily, they didn't call the dip yesterday. They said it was coming. I even anticipated it to come last Friday, but it came a few days later. So don't beat yourself up. That's it for me, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm working on a new video tomorrow to kind of maybe help guide you guys in how to maybe trade and take profits, and then how to get back into the market. So again, refreshing, we had about 1.5 trillion market cap. We've bounced back. Bitcoin's over 50,000. Ethereum's back up to about 1,630. So guys, we made it. We got beat up and bruised a bit, but we will be trading for another day. All right, guys, thank you very much. Cheers.